and the real estate, VAT on real estate. In the 2014 budget, the government pushed through, against sound arguments to the contrary, a VAT on fee-based financial services. The confusion surrounding the implementation resulted in the withdrawal of this policy measure, or at least a non-implementation of it. In their desperation to raise revenues, the 2015 budget states that this VAT on fee-based financial services will be implemented. This is bad policy for the economy. Ghana's financial system is underdeveloped, with only some 20% of the population having a bank account. What government should rather be doing is providing some incentives for financial inclusion. The introduction of VAT on fee-based financial services would only serve to drive people away from the banking system, with the attendant reduction in financial savings. So Dr. Dorothy Engman was just talking to us about formalizing the economy, but not using it as a way to tax people. And we want financial inclusion. But you want people to come into the banking system. But if you say if you come into the banking system, we'll be taxing what you put in there, or fees that transactions that you make out of it, then people will be discouraged.